If you need to request a refund in Lucidchart, the process is a little different from simply cancelling your plan. So in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps in a clear and easy way. By the end, you'll know how to cancel your subscription, how to submit a refund request, and what information you should have ready so your request has the best chance of being handled quickly. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Lucidchart account. Once you're inside, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon or your initials. From the drop-down menu, choose Account Settings. This is where Lucid keeps the main billing and subscription controls for your account. Now, on the left-hand side, click Plans and Billing. This section shows your current subscription details, your active product, and the billing options tied to your account. Under the Your Plan section, find the Lucid product you want to cancel. If you have more than one plan, make sure you select the correct one so you don't change the wrong subscription. Next, click the three-dot menu to the right of the plan. From the options that appear, choose Cancel this plan. Lucid will usually show a few confirmation prompts before the cancellation is finalized, so follow those on-screen instructions carefully. Take your time here and read each message before you confirm. Once you complete the cancellation, your subscription will be set to end based on Lucid's billing terms. If you're using an enterprise account, this part may work differently. In that case, you may need to contact your Lucid account manager or submit a billing ticket directly instead of using the standard self-service cancellation steps. So if you don't see the same buttons, that doesn't necessarily mean something is wrong. It may just mean your account is managed through a different support channel. Now here's the most important part. Cancelling your plan does not automatically mean you'll get a refund. Lucid usually requires a separate refund request, so after cancelling, you need to contact their financial or billing team directly. You can do this by filling out the Lucid billing support form or by emailing support@lucid.co. When you send your request, make sure you include your account email, your exact invoice number, and a short explanation of why you're requesting the refund. The more specific you are, the easier it is for their team to review your case. If you have any relevant payment details or screenshots, it can also help to include those, but keep your message clear and concise. A good tip is to submit your refund request as soon as possible after cancellation. That way, your case is fresh and easier for support to review. Also, be polite and professional in your message, because that often helps the process go more smoothly. So to quickly recap, first cancel your active Lucidchart subscription in Account Settings under Plans and Billing. Then submit a separate refund request through billing support or by emailing support@lucid.co with your account email, invoice number, and reason for the request. And that's how to refund in Lucidchart. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.